Hello, what's up guys? I am Mariovit. In this tutorial I will show you where to find plugins on your server Minecraft like Word Edit, WordGuard and many others. So start. You also may leave like and subscribe, and so start. You must write plugins craft. You have also link in the description if you can search this page. You have link in the description. It is this page where you have everything what you need. Word Edit, Multiverse Core, Skills, Silk Spawners, Vault, Essentials, Shopkeepers, Farm Protect, Simple Voice Chat, Multiverse Portals, Zero, Admin Tools, Economy. So you have everything what you need, but now you must click on this, edit for book it, and you have here download latest file, and click on this. Example, now you download, guys, download, and later you put in on your server with plugins. That's all, my friends. That was quickly tutorial. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others. Bye bye, and see you in other videos. Thanks for watching.